In the intricate web of our existence, the choices we make in each lifetime shape our experiences and mold our character. The concept of the web of fate suggests that our current life is profoundly influenced by the decisions and actions of our past incarnations. By exploring these past lives through various methods, individuals can gain valuable insights into their present life choices, preferences, and challenges. One such method is past life regression therapy, as experienced by Lila, a young woman with an innate passion for dance. Through guided hypnosis, Lila is able to access memories of a previous life in which she was a talented ballerina in 19th century Paris. During her regression sessions, Lila vividly recalls the intense dedication and countless hours of practice that defined her past life as a dancer. She also uncovers the emotional turmoil and difficult decisions that ultimately led to her untimely death. As Lila processes these past life memories, she begins to understand the root of her current life's passion for dance. She realizes that her present-day challenges, such as stage fright and self-doubt, stem from the unresolved traumas of her previous incarnation. Armed with this newfound awareness, Lila is able to work through her fears and embrace her true calling, leading to a more fulfilling and successful dance career in her current life. Another method of accessing past life wisdom is through the practice of meditation, as demonstrated by Marcus, a wealthy businessman plagued by feelings of emptiness and discontent. By regularly engaging in deep meditation, Marcus is able to quiet his mind and tap into the memories of a past life as a humble monk. In this previous incarnation, Marcus lived a simple life dedicated to serving others and cultivating inner peace. As Marcus reflects on the lessons of his monastic past, he begins to understand the source of his current dissatisfaction. He realizes that his pursuit of material success and power has left him feeling disconnected from his true purpose. Inspired by the wisdom of his past life, Marcus makes a conscious decision to realign his priorities and use his resources to make a positive impact on the world. By integrating the values of compassion and service into his current life, Marcus finds a renewed sense of meaning and contentment. A third method of gaining past life insights is through shamanic journeying, as experienced by Amara, an artist with a deep connection to nature. By entering altered states of consciousness through drumming and visualization, Amara is able to access memories of a past life as a Native American shaman. In this previous incarnation, Amara possessed a profound understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things and used her gifts to heal and guide her community. As Amara integrates the wisdom of her shamanic past into her current life, she begins to infuse her art with a deeper sense of purpose and meaning. She becomes an advocate for environmental conservation and uses her creative talents to raise awareness about the importance of living in harmony with the earth. Through her work, Amara inspires others to reconnect with nature and make choices that promote sustainability and balance. The web of fate illustrates the profound impact that our past life choices have on our current existence. By exploring these past lives through methods such as regression therapy, meditation, and shamanic journeying, individuals can gain invaluable insights into their present life challenges, talents, and aspirations. Through the integration of past life wisdom, we can make more conscious choices, align our actions with our true purpose, and ultimately weave a more fulfilling and harmonious existence in our current incarnation.